$392 a day with affiliate marketing on autopilot. What's going on, my friends? I'm Nicholas from mindset.win. This video is the third lesson in series of videos about how to make money online fast with affiliate marketing. And the lesson today is research your ideas.
Use Clickbank to explore your niche and affiliate income potential. The reason this is so cool is that these are all information products like ebooks, downloadable audios or videos, etc. Visit Clickbank Marketplace and do search within your niche keywords. Look for affiliate products. The reason this is so cool is that these are all information products here, like ebooks, downloadable audios or videos, etc. If there is a product, or even better yet, several products in that niche you're interested in listed here, you know that there are people buying products in this niche on the internet. You can become affiliates with these to these products. You can get product ideas. You can figure out what you can do to add value to the products that are already out there. You can research your competition because you can start finding out what kind of products your competition has. Start finding out a little bit about your product. You can maybe sign up, find out how to get on some of their list, find out what kind of support, things like that they got going on. So you're researching your competition. You can find JV partners, get noticed on the radar of your niche. So maybe you want to become an affiliate to these products just to start selling them. So maybe you set up a blog review, start driving people to your blog to do a review on these niches. They go to through your affiliate link, and when the product owners start seeing sales come in, they start investigating who these sales come in, and when they see you start getting noticed on the radar in that niche. Also, people that are buying the product, showing up to your blogs and buying the product, they start noticing you as the expert because you're recommending these products and stuff. So make sure that you're writing good reviews and stuff for these products. Don't just do anything half-heartedly. Really go all out. You can find options for monetizing your niche with ready-made affiliate offers. The niches that you can get in, that you're getting into, go to Clickbank, Pay.com, different places like this, and start finding affiliate products that you can start monetizing your niche with right away, because you can become an affiliate with these products already. But find out, don't just look at the products. What can you do to add value to the products that are already out there? What can you do to stand out above the crowd that's already there? So basically, you're just going to go to clickbank.com, search the marketplace for affiliate products in your niche of interest. So you would go to the marketplace, which we see circled up here. You would just click on marketplace. That's going to take you to the next page. If there's different categories that you can start searching in over here on the left-hand side, how to find products to promote. It's going to tell you exactly how to go about it if you just don't understand it when you get in here. Finding products, once again, you could type in organic gardening into the search bar here. Once you type that in, you hit go, and it's going to give you the results of the products that are out there, affiliate products in organic gardening. These are going to give you different titles, maybe sub niches. Here we got just one on organic gardening, organic vegetable gardening, the easy guide to organic gardening. Probably as you look through there, there'll probably be organic gardening for beginners and all sorts of topics that you can really get started in, and you can really find out what's going on out there. You can check out their sales pages that they have. You can find out what's really selling and stuff by the gravity. You can look to see the higher gravities. Usually means that there's people that are selling these. A lot of times, if it's a really high gravity, there's probably a launch going on at that time. It might be kind of hard for you to compete, but it also shows you that there's a lot going on with that because there's products out there. Affiliates are grabbing those products. That means there's a niche that you've stumbled into, or you've done your research and you found a good place to be. Check Stumble Upon categories. You can go to stumbleupon.com and find out what the categories that Stumble Upon offers to their stumblers. Look for a category closely aligned to your proposed niche. So once you start getting an idea, go to stumbleupon.com, start looking in the categories, potentially a great source of free targeted traffic to profit from. So once you go in there, you basically, you can go in, you find out what interests you. Start going through the categories that they've got. Click one of them, maybe self-improvement. We talked about that as being a very good niche to get into. So you click self-improvement, start stumbling. It's as simple as that. That's all you got to do is click what interests you, start stumbling. What it's going to do, it's going to bring up different recommended content that is provided for you. They're going to bring up recommended content for you to start going through. Again, you'll see ads going on for advertising. You're going to find different things, ebooks, products that are going out there, content for ideas. You're going to be able to research your competition again. You're going to find, check the advertising. You can possibly find JV partners that are, putting the content out there. Free traffic. This is a great place that you can be, getting free traffic back to your sites. There's a lot of great places that you can go and be thinking about all of these different things that were just listed there. Each time you go to a place to the search, what kind of content ideas can you get? What kind of research can you do on the competition of the different products out there? What kind of advertising is going out there? What kind of advertising will help you? Maybe you can get advertising ideas. Looking for JV partners, looking for avenues of free traffic revenue for you. You can search magazines, both offline and online. You can go to your books, the stores, look in the magazine racks to find out what's out there. Just browse through the magazines, find out what's going on out there. You can go to Google. Once again, you can type in different type of magazines, like gardening magazines, or maybe you want to go to organic gardening magazines. Once you type it in, let's say start with gardening magazines. You go there. Here's the result, list of gardening magazines out there. You'd probably want to click on that one, and it's going to take you to a site that's going to show you all the different magazines that are out there. You're going to see the advertising again over here. Great place to find out what's going on. Over there. Here's we got this gardening magazine. You can be found on Amazon.com. Maybe you can become an affiliate. Amazon, you don't make a lot of money as an affiliate, but it's a good revenue that you can put in place as another revenue source. So you can see that you're going to be able to go to Amazon.com here. This magazine is posted on there, so you could get your affiliate link. You could recommend the gardening magazines and stuff there. So when you go in there, when you click on that, different gardening magazines, it's going to give you the different magazines that are out there. Here's one on gardening tips. That'd be a great one to figure out, find out different tips. Different magazines are over here on animals, arts, audio, business, computer, and internet, gardening, anything that you want to get into. Just start look and see what interests you, what sparks your interest. Maybe it wasn't what you came searching for in the first place, and you get over here and you're like, wow, there it is. Maybe you search for organic gardening. Once again, you go in there, shopping results for organic gardening magazines, the same thing. Organic gardening magazine website, magazine directory. Here's another one for you. Organic kitchen gardening. Again, search through what comes up through the results. Maybe you can get into the niche of organic kitchen gardening. A lot of people live in town or whatever, and they just maybe small, they want to do some organic gardening, and they just got small pots they can put in their kitchen or on their deck or something outdoors. So maybe, a big country garden, organic gardening, there's all sorts of different ways, directions to take. Again, when you go to the sites, click on some of those of the results, go to the sites. Now, this particular one that we clicked on, it's got this person is list building. That means they have a list, potential JV partner, potential products to become an affiliate with. Start going through them. Look to see what they're offering. This person's offering video on their site, so you pretty much know probably video is accepted in this niche. Maybe you didn't think about offering video. Maybe you just were thinking ebooks. Well, maybe that's something that you can do. Check the About Us page. Maybe it'll lead you to the finding out how to contact that person, or look for the contact pages on there. Look for what they're offering, how-to tutorials. That'd be a great way to figure out some different how-to content for you to get. Questions and answers. What kind of questions are people asking? They're going to these people have already maybe got a hold of their list or whatever. They know the questions people are asking, and they're going to provide answers. This is going to help you to already take advantage of research that's already been done. This person's offering contests and prizes. Is that something that you could also do? do to help you stand out above the crowd. It's got great resources. You could go to the resources and check out the different resources that they're offering, and maybe you can think about adding resource lists to yours as added value, or check out the resources, because a lot of times that is going to be different products that you can search. So really look over the sites and find out what can help you in your research and helping you stand out above the crowd, and what you can do and offer on your websites. Evaluating the competition. Your competition is the one in your business that has the loyal following. There's two types of competition that we've discussed in the previous: direct and indirect. Direct is basically somebody that's competing head to head, same niche, same products, pretty much same. They're going to be targeting that same person coming along. It's going to be harder to compete. Indirect, maybe there's the same target markets, but a little bit different, maybe a little bit different products. We used the restaurant niche as an example here before, where you have two restaurants. They're looking for the same person that's coming along that's hungry, but one may be targeting somebody that's looking to go out and eat a pizza, while the other restaurant may be targeting somebody that's looking for a hamburger, or looking to go out for Chinese or whatever. So they're looking for the same type of person, somebody that's interested in coming out to eat, but they're looking for somebody that's different in different products and stuff. So they're going to have a little bit different products. Are there products ranging from high to low prices? When you research your competition, do they have products from low to high? If they're only low, why is there no high? Is this an opportunity for you to add in higher valued prices? Or maybe that market does not accept higher priced products and stuff. So really make sure you're doing your research to find out these things. Does a market have a good back end? If not, can you create back end products that people will buy? What comes first and what comes next has to be on your mind while you're doing the research. Just because you find a niche, you don't want to just stop where you start. You want to find out what's coming next, what's coming, what people are, what they might be interested in, to follow what you're going on. So you can start positioning different products along the line to take that person through your product funnel, up that product ladder, however you want to describe it, and get them to that solution that they're looking for. Is there competition? If not, you may need to rethink your niche. A lot of people go, hey, there's nobody competing in this. Well, probably for a very good reason. It's probably because nobody's interested in pulling out their wallet and buying, like we discussed earlier. So is there competition? How much competition is out there? If yes, how much, and how can I compete? So you really got to find out what's going on out there and what you can do to have your unique selling proposition to stand out above the crowd for you to be able to compete. What extra benefits do they provide? You want to find out what kind of benefits your competition's already providing. Maybe they got membership sites out there. Maybe they have forums, blogs. What are they providing their members already, their list, their customers? What else maybe is missing? What kind of customer support is available? Always check out customer support in your niches. If there's poor customer support, this is a great way for you to stand above the crowd and really capitalize on, hey, I've got great customer support, because that's going to really add a lot. But if you're advertising that you do, make sure that you follow through and that you have good customer support. Do they have affiliate programs? If not, can you add affiliate programs into yours for other affiliates to come and get your products where they're not finding the other products out there? Are their websites easy to navigate with good design, formats that are pleasing to the eye? If you go to the sites and they're poor navigation, and a lot of times you'll find these, that basically says beginner, and this leaves a lot of room for you to set up a nice, easy to navigate website, because people are going to prefer to come to your website instead of going to these websites that are just plastered with flashing lights and banners and everything else, and they can't figure out what in the heck they're supposed to even do on that website. If you can't figure out what you're to do there, you're just going to leave. So make sure that your websites are pleasing to the eye, but look at the competition and find out if that's a place that you can stand out. Look for any holes that need to be filled. What's missing in the marketplace that you can add value to, that you can stand out above the crowd. Ask yourself, what are the problems that the market is facing in the niche that I have chosen? What is that something extra that I bring to the market that my niche market doesn't have yet? You've got to have that unique selling proposition. That's something extra that when somebody shows up to your site, they find you and they're like, wow, that's something that nobody else has. That's something I got to stick with. How can I best set myself apart from the competition so that I stand above the crowd and will be noticed? When you're doing your niche research, you really have to get in there and do some research. You're either going to pay to do research or you're going to capitalize on the research that's already out there, which is my suggestion. People have already paid for the research. There's no sense in you paying for it. Go out there and start doing the research. Really don't just start looking for a profitable niche. Once you find that profitable niche, you're going to be also looking for places like we discussed at the beginning, places that you can network, people you can network with, places that you can find free traffic back to your sites, different products that you can recommend to start making money as an affiliate. Really research your market. Don't just go out and start looking for those things that you're passionate about and you say, okay, there's money to be made. There's so much more for you to discover when you're researching that niche that most people don't even think about looking for when they're going out there. I hope that this training tonight has really showed you what is possible for you to really get in and how easy it really is to capitalize on what's already out there. And once you find some of these programs, that I hope I've shown you that there's a whole lot more to be discovered on some of these sites than you might have even ever imagined or even thought about looking for while you were there. Because niche research is more than just finding that niche to get started in and making money. You're planning on building a business around this niche. So you're going to, and building businesses involve networking. They involve products, and so you really need to find out what's going on out there. Learn to speak the language. So you're going to have to research the type of language that's going on if you don't know it already. So there's always stuff to learn, and I really hope I showed you some things tonight that were going to help you discover that profitable niche that you can capitalize and stand out above the crowd and really start making some good money online.